Hey guys, Dan again. Quick video here. Had some questions about adding rosters with the new procedures. So from your control panel, you're going to edit rosters. Select the activity that you are going to edit. Choose your roster template that you want to have put in. Continue. If you're using the Our School registration platform, you will have the ability to choose students registered for this activity or all students that are registered with you. If you're not using that and you don't have the Our School registration platform, simply click this plus button or the add additional students down here. And then you can put in the student ID or the name John Doe, and then you would put in the gender, height, weight, grade probably, and any other information that you think you want to have in there. And then you would just simply save changes. And now you can take John Doe and put him onto the list of students. That's over here. And then once you're done, you would click continue. And you can enter in John's number, 56, position, linebacker, height, 6'4", 245, and John is a sophomore, or junior. Now you would save and exit or save and continue, and you would do these things over and over again with your rosters to put them up on, and then this way you can send the information right to your opposing schools for football or whatever sport that you'd want them to do. You could also make them public in the control panel so that they're visible online when you go to your website. There would be a way to have rosters put in up here. Okay. If you have any questions about this, give us a call. But that is how you are going to enter rosters into Our School. And your coaches can do that from this also, from this area here, if you sign in as a coach. Okay? Any questions, let us know. Thanks.